Hi everyone, let's make this artificial paper cave. Let's get started. So fold this pink craft paper from its diagonals and from its sides as well. Open it and again fold it. Now we are going to press it from its both corners. Again we are making 4 mini squares. Now open all of them, flip it and fold it from its sides as well. Now make more such shapes and put all of them like this. Put another ring and similar way we are going to make 2 such mini pieces. Paste a candle and it's ready. Look at this flower hanging. Let's make it. For that we are going to make the flowers first. So take a square paper and start folding it and pull the paper downwards, flip it and do the same from this side as well. Now we are going to tuck the paper inside from one side like this, flip it and then we are going to do the same from this side as well like this. Fold it and then we are going to open all the paper together and twist it from the center. Now we are going to make 30 such pieces and combine all the flowers together one after another like this. Here we are going to make a circular shape, so combine all the parts together one after another and tuck all of them like this. Similar way we are going to make a circle, paste the hanging and frill and look, it is ready. You can put fairy light later. In this video we are going to make this double star crafts. Let's get started. We are using this red craft paper. Fold it from its sides, cut it, open it and you will get a pentagon shape. Press it again and make a triangular shape like this. Again fold it, open it and look, you will get a mini star at the center. We are going to press it and give it a shape of star. Again fold it from its corners, flip it and again fold it like we are doing here. Press it again and tuck it inside. Give it a shape from all its 5 sides and look, your star is ready. Look at this beautiful bunny ears box. Let's make it using craft paper. We are folding this yellow craft paper. Fold it and make a triangular shape. Again make mini folds and tuck the paper inside. Do the same from other side as well. Flip it and start folding it. Now we are going to paste it using double-sided tape. Again open it and look, the ears are ready. After that we are going to blow it up and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful hanging. Let's make it using craft paper. Here we are taking this square red craft paper, fold it into half, then from its sides flip it and again start folding it like we are doing here. Fold it like this, again fold it into half. Now put a yellow paper inside it and tug it and press it like this. After this we are going to make 12 such shapes. First we are pasting 6 shapes and put a hanging, then again paste another 6 shapes together and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. Look at this beautiful flower hanging. Let's make it. For that we are going to fold this red craft paper. Again fold it from its corners. Here we are making crease here. Now we are going to make triangular shape. Now cut it from all its 4 parts and fold all of them. You will get a mini square. Flip it and again cut it and start folding it like this. Here we are making the petals of the flower. We are making heart shape here. Now we are going to make 3 more such pieces. Combine all of them together in circular form. We are going to cover it from its top and base like this and make a circle and look, it is ready. Add a frill and hanging. You can put a fairy light and look at your glowing hanging is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.